So we've just exposed this chin of this patient. So we're doing a revision procedure because the patient has a lot of tightness around the chin. And one of the things that's first noted is that the earlier incision was not appropriate, was too close to the fixed mucosa. Yeah, that's the fibrous tissue that we've removed. So it was right there. Kept it for just showing that the amount of fibrosis that can be caused. There's no muscle there. It's all fibrosis. You can see fibrous tissue. And apart from that, we're also going to go down and tether the muscle, release the tethered muscles. So you can see here, these muscles are actually attached on the bone, while it should be not attached to the bone. It should be on itself. So we're going to free down there. And also go on the lateral aspect and tighten it because the patient desires some lifting of the muscles at the corner of the mouth. Just expose this chin now. We've also removed some fibrosis that was there from the earlier surgery, and I'm going to show you what was removed. So this was the fibrosis, and then I've detached all of the muscles that were attached wrongly. We've got a nice sulcus. This is an earlier incision. You see it's too close to the attached gingiva. Now I've placed it in the more appropriate manner, the correct area, correct way. And this is like a free area. All the muscles are freed. It's just the mucosa now and scar tissue. And I've made a tunnel here. We've gone all the way down. So you can see the mental nerve that side. And I can also show you the mental nerve this side. Now we just have to do some pexy. So I'm going to tighten the area of the submental region with some pexy stitches from inside the mouth. And that's what the patient desires. So it's going to improve her tightness of the chin. And also going to get some amount of improvement in facial aesthetics as well. So we've done, this is like a redo procedure where I've done pexy stitches on the muscles of the lower lip per se, and also on the mentalis and the soft tissue around the lower border of the mandible. So you can see I've advanced laterally quite a lot. It's probably about 8 millimeters now, this distance. This point was here earlier. So I've advanced this much, as you can see, by pulling it from there where you see my instrument going in. And that's the lower border. You see that? That's the lower border of the mandible. Okay, and a similar thing on this side, about 8 millimeters on the lateral aspects. And we've advanced about 4 millimeters or maximum 5 millimeters. I think it's less than that. This is because she's pulling for you to see, otherwise it's less. In the midline also. A lot of scar in the midline. I've removed some, not so much scar in the lateral aspect. So why have we done this? This is because I'm going to show you now what has happened. We've gotten her a free lip. This lip is free. The orbicularis muscle is now going around. It was tethered earlier like this. So we freed the lip completely. So all the muscle game here happening. And this is also helping to get the chin up here. So she had a concern of a little bit of a double chin. You can already see it's stretched a little bit there. And there's some swelling here because of the local anesthesia. We're doing this as a daycare procedure. In fact, our care procedure. Patient just has a few hours before she can go. All right. And so we've gotten this part lifted up a few millimeters as desired by the patient. And she had a severe tethering here from the earlier surgery. We freed. She's got a nice free lips. And we're going to see her smile now. Smile. Look at that smile now. It's already nice. It's not going down. So she has a nice smile. Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. And she's been a very good patient.
Oh, really?
So you see, we've just done with this now. And that's the place where we sutured. With moving the muscles superiorly. More in the lateral aspect and less in the medial aspect. And by doing this, we've made sure the lip is totally free now. Also given it a better mental-labial fold, a much prominent chin, especially the lateral aspect has come out a few millimeters. And we're going to apply some compressive dressing now. These are also a little bit because of swelling from the local anesthetic.